Hello guys, welcome to Mathematics Point. Hope you are doing great. Today we will learn about how to derive the distance formula to find the distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given to us. So let's move ahead. So here you see that this is our x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the origin. Suppose we have a point over here A and this is the point B. The coordinates of the point A are x1, y1, and that of B are suppose x2, y2. Right. Now, what we will do from the point A and B, we will draw perpendiculars on the x-axis and y-axis. So these are the from the point A, perpendicular is P, then BQ, and this is say point R, and this is say point S, and this is our point C over here. Now you can see as the coordinates of the point A are x1, y1, it means this distance is x1 and this distance is y1. Now coordinates of the point B are x2, y2. So that means the distance OQ is x2 and the distance OS is y2. Now, so we can find the distance PQ and SR. So distance PQ, how can we find the distance PQ? PQ will be equal to OQ minus OP, which will be equal to what is OQ? That is x2, and what is OP? That is x1. Now we will find the distance SR. So the distance SR will be equal to OS minus OR. So from the figure, it is clear that OS is Y2 and OR is Y1. So this distance will be Y2 minus Y1. Now, as you can see over here that CR and SB, they are parallel to each other and the distance between parallel lines is always same. That means BC will be same as SR. So which will be equal to Y2 minus Y1. Similarly, as AP and BQ, they are also parallel to each other. So that means the distance AC, it will be same as the distance PQ, which will be nothing but equal to x2 minus x1. Let us mention these distances in the figure 2. So what is this distance? This is x2 minus x1. And what is this distance? It is y2 minus y1. Now, you can see that the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So that means we can find the hypotenuse, that is AB, of this triangle using the Pythagoras theorem. So here I'm going to write using Pythagoras theorem. So what do we have? We have square of AB is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now, what is AC? AC is x2 minus x1 whole square. And what is BC? That is y2 minus y1 whole square. And that is what? It is equal to AB square. So from here, we can see that AB will be nothing but equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And what is this? This is what we call is as the distance formula. So I'm going to write here, this is known as the distance formula. And we use this formula to find the distance between any 2 points whose coordinates are given to us. So hope you understand the derivation. Thank you.